All right, my beautiful friends, here we go, and we have to talk. Stocks are set for a monster open this morning. It is May 18th, 2020, and I mean a monster open. The implied open for the Dow Jones Industrial Average is about 655 points higher. It's incredible. It really is. The promise of unlimited debt, unlimited asset purchases, literally unlimited, by the Federal Reserve has got this market in super rally mode. That's the new norm. I covered this yesterday in my Markets a Look Ahead. The market is going higher. That's the trend. And that's it. Again, they could do what they want. They could split the world in half, quarters. The stock market will continue higher as the Federal Reserve's balance sheets, plural, you know there's two, balloon. And I mean balloon. Doesn't matter. Nothing else matters with regard to the economy. Tens of millions of people losing their jobs. Nothing. Zero. It's all about what the Fed is doing. And this is a global takeover on an unprecedented scale. We have never seen anything like this before in the history of the world. What the market's doing here is what I said it would do weeks, maybe months ago. I said negative rates are coming, and right now the market is pricing in negative rates. I said in a video recently, if we get negative rates, stocks are going to skyrocket. Well, the market's pricing in negative rates. But we still have to watch the charade play out. You know, good cop, bad cop. President Trump, Fed Chair Powell. They got to play it out publicly. The decision has been made to go negative. Henceforth, why the stock market is doing what it's doing right now. Cryptocurrencies are maybe catching a little bit of a bid, slight right now. Crude oil is taking off. It's up over 10% pre-market. You know what that means. Energy sector gets a boost. Financial sector gets a boost. Stock market gets a boost. It's a rigged game. Gold and silver are being bid higher as well. I mean, look, it's kind of interesting, right? But you knew all this was going to happen before it happened. I outlined this for all of you, I think, incredibly accurately. You know it's coming before it does. That's why I've been telling you, we can't lose this game. It's impossible. This is a game. You and I are participants in it. Either you let it roll over you, or you take advantage of it. And I would like to think that me, my Lions, my stacker friends out here, those that invest in cryptocurrencies, we know exactly what to do. I attack it from every single angle that you can think of it. I'm not just a one-trick pony. You know, I'm in this market. I'm trading this market. I'm into cryptos. I'm into metals. I do not, as of yet, have any new core positions, which I did close before the sell-off. I will not be entering core positions again until that 10-year yield is 1%. What's the rush? I don't care. I'm not looking to pick tops and bottoms. I'm looking to trade this market. I don't care. With regard to core positions, I want to see the market literally stabilize here. It may not. I mean, right now, the only thing supporting this market is the Federal Reserve. The promise of negative rates from the president, which he's been saying since time immemorial. And they are coming. Period. The end. The market threw its little tantrum when it didn't get negative rates, but now it believes they're coming and it's pricing it in. So we get a monster open here, like I said. Don't be surprised to see this market hit new record highs in short order, regardless of what's happening in the non-economy. Tens of millions out of work, tens of millions more going to lose their jobs. Doesn't matter. It's all about the Fed, what they're doing. They're buying the world, literally. They're funneling cash dollars around the world to central banks everywhere, and they're buying assets. It's just a takeover on an unfreaking believable scale, and no one wants to do anything about it. Nobody wants to rein in the central banks. This is some kind of a twisted it's a war, actually, and they are winning to the highest order. There's no doubt about it. Nobody wants to rein them in. This whole charade of this virus has been allowed to manifest itself to issuing the final solution of the central banks, the Federal Reserve, the new world central bank, to be the buyer, lender, and owner of the world. That's where we're at. So that's why stocks are ballooning right now. Maybe when they own it all, and right now they're darn close to owning it all, maybe at that point we'll get a real market. I doubt it. This is all a mechanism to push wealth right up to the one percenters, right up to the rich, fleecing everybody else. And wait till negative rates hit. Wait till negative rates come here, and you got to start paying the banks to keep your cash in them. They're going to legally rob you. They're going to take money right out of your account, and you can't stop it unless, of course, you don't keep your money in the banks. I told you how to play this recently. If you're in the market while this is going on, while negative rates are being priced in, while negative rates are coming, you're going to make a lot of money in this market. If you're not in this market and you just have a savings account, well, you're the one that's going to be supporting the market and the one percenters and the rich by having your cash siphoned straight out of your account. But the president can't tell you that. He just has to tell you that negative rates, we need them. Because again, he's a mouthpiece. All presidents are mouthpieces. They're just a spokesperson for those that run the earth. And who runs the earth? The banks. You understand that? Anyway, this guy loves you. Please share the video. Get it out there. I'll see you at the end of the day. It's going to be freaking lovely.